Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving into a PC build for creators, and this PC is under 1 lakh budget. So if you are looking for a creator PC and you are looking to save most of your money, then these components are the best for you, that I can guarantee. Okay, then let's start with the components. Starting with the heart of this PC, I have chosen ASROCK B760M Pro RS. So this motherboard is specifically designed for 12, 13 and 14 generation Intel processors. It supports DDR5 RAM and it has 3 M.2 slots. So these are the specific things that I was looking for in my motherboard for a creator PC. And moving on from the heart to the brains, we have Intel Core i5 12400 processor. Now if you are looking for a budget CPU, they have a lower version of this which comes with a F in the model. So if you are going for F, remember that you are ditching the iGPU. And let me tell you guys, in the world of content creation, iGPU is the must have. So always remember, go with the plain version or K version, don't go with the F version. So both of these products are best bang for buck, and if you have a little higher budget, obviously you can spend more on all the components that we are going to talk about today. But for the budget, these are our choices. This little processor has 6 cores, and I think for supporting 4K videos and editing, this is good enough. So moving on to the next set of components, we have Thermalright LGA contact plate, which is specifically designed for 12, 13 and 14 generation Intel CPUs. So why I have chosen to spend $1000 extra on this? This is because the 12, 13 and 14 generation CPUs, they are not square, they are rectangle in shape, and the conventional contact frame on that comes with your motherboard, it has only 2 contact points at a center. So after a lot of time and after a lot of heat cycle, what it does, it bends your CPU. So to avoid that, we are using this contact frame, and to keep our CPU cool, we are going with the Deepcool AK400, that is the non-digital version of a CPU fan. So in each creator PC, a GPU is a must-have, and for our PC, we have chosen Intel Arc A750 8GB graphics card. So there are basically 2 reasons for choosing Intel over the NVIDIA conventional graphics card. So the first reason is the additional codec support from Intel, and the second reason is the deep link feature that they have advertised for Intel GPUs. So what it does is it combines the power of your dedicated GPU and iGPU that comes within the CPU and gives you faster render times and faster timeline performances. So that's why I have gone for Intel over NVIDIA. So our next set of components is the storage and its memory. So for the storage, we have chosen WD-SN580 1TB SSD. So this particular is a Gen 4 M.2 SSD, and the read and write speeds of this SSD are about 4150 megatransfers per second, and that's what makes it a faster SSD. So for the memory, we have chosen 2 RAM sticks of 16 GB each, and this particular model is from Kingston Fury, which has a file transfer rate of 5200 MHz and a latency of 40. So that makes it even more faster. For safely powering all our PC components, we need a very reliable PSU, and for that we have gone with the Antec NeoEco 650 GM. Now this particular PSU is fully modular PSU and it comes with 7 years of warranty. So this warranty assures that all the components that are used in building this particular PSU are of good quality and you can trust them completely. So for housing all our components and maintaining that minimalistic look, we have chosen this case, which is Deepcool CH560 digital version. I know there are cheaper options available from Anti-Sports and all other Chinese brands, but the reason for choosing this particular case is that it comes with 4 ARGB PMW fans. That means you can control your fan speed depending upon the temperature of your motherboard or your CPU or even your GPU. So this case comes with a magnetically attached side panel, and this is a composite side panel. The top 2/3 is the glass and the bottom 1/3 is the mesh. And in this mesh panel, we also have a digital display that displays the GPU and CPU temperatures as well as the usage of GPU and CPU. One more additional feature that it comes with rubber grommets. That's why we have chosen this particular case. Coming to the peripherals, we have chosen DELL wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Next up, for the monitor, we have gone with the BenQ GW2480T. Now this particular model, it comes with sRGB 99% color gamut, which assures the color accuracy, and it also comes with height, pivot and tilt adjustment stand. So these are the two reasons for which I have chosen this particular model. Additionally, I have gone ahead and also bought myself a UPS. So this is Circle Power 1 kVA UPS. This is sufficient to give you about 15 to 20 or in some cases about 30 to 35 minutes of backup in case of power cutoff. I have given Best Buy links of all the components that I've mentioned in this video in the description below. So make sure to check them out. Also, if you find this video helpful in any way, then do leave a like, share it with your creator buddies and comment down below if you want any PC build recommendations according to your budget. Oh, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. I'm taking your leave now. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day.